So welcome to you to another new vlog. Today we are going to Darjeeling. Today we are going to Kalimpong, and I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. And right now we have boarded on the train. The train name is Shatabdi Express, and now the time is 2:11. We boarded on the train around 1:35, and now the time is 2:11.
Hi guys.
Yes, I am traveling with the same team, the Goa team. This is the Goa team. I am traveling with the same team. So here is you may know him. His name is Bubin too. You have seen him in previous vlogs of Goa trip, Goa parts. Okay, so say something.
Hi, I'm really excited to go there, and we're actually going to a haunted house. Okay, so I was thinking to vlog that if there is some ghosts captured, if I can capture any ghost, that will be very exciting. So we are going to Darjeeling for the house.
He is much interested in haunted houses and ghosts. So now we are going. The train is about to start. It's about 2:11. So let's go and enjoy.
See you guys.
Moving, and here is a view. What a wonderful view it is.
Yeah, great.
And my friend is enjoying along with me. Oh.
And I am eating too much.
Drinking slice.
And
okay, so bye bye Howrah.
Yeah.
And now
we are going to Kalimpong.
Pong. Now this train served out the catering service, and here is what we are eating. I am eating non-veg. The service is good. I am eating lacha parota with chicken gravy. There are two more things. It is rice. It is dal. I think you can see.
And there is classic dahi.
Yes, there is dahi, which is a little bit of like ice cream, and the train is running very fast yet comfortable. Guys, now I had my meal on wheels. So guys, now we are not stopping, we are continuing, but now we had our meal, and we are now enjoying the scenery. It's so nice. It's a countryside scenery.
The view is very nice.
Yes, it's a view.
Green that.
Okay, so let's view the view. This is very much green, full of green plants, which is very good for our eyes. Now this is our second meal. This is snacks. Means they are serving meals, snacks, or food items, and we have here. I am now showing them very nicely. So let's switch the camera. In our snacks, we have Haldiram's bhujia. I think this is a sweet type of sweet. This is coffee kit to make coffee. We are going to make it. This is sauce, tomato sauce. Let's see it. this is Chirwa, Chuda. Okay. They also provide us this. I don't know what is this. And these tissues. And there is a food menu. This. And there we are passing from a bridge. It's very nice.
That's not a big.
Now this bridge. See. Just crossing Farakka bridge and it's 6:28 and now it's 6:28 and we are still in the train and I am sitting in the window seat. I've changed the seat for with my friend for a few times and there is train line and you can see that here is a reflection because it is night time. It is very much dark outside and the train is running.
And we are driving a racing car. We are just playing it, guys.
Yes.
Show the other side.
See how nice is this? How nice is this? See? Move on. Now we are again moving from Farakka Junction and here are many more lights. There is a road if you can see. I don't hope that you can see, but yes, there is a truck. I am pointing it. I think you can see. I don't know if you can see or not. And the train started moving again. Let's see the view, how dark and nice it is.
Farakka beach project bole lekha ache.
So the bridge has been started and we are now moving.
দেখুন ভিডিওটাতে কিছু ও এটা দিনের বেলা কি ভালো লাগে না দেখতে গঙ্গাটা বিশাল
We can see reflections here and there is the train started moving from Farakka Junction and it's night time. Now it's 6:28. It's evening. Yesterday this time I just returned from the school and now I am in Farakka Junction. Guys, now we started from Malda town.
Oh my god.
And the train started moving.
And I am playing some piano.
Yes, he is playing some piano and we are now again moving.
This is the piano, guys.
I will tell you one thing. This Shatabdi Express is so much nice, the nice train, that when it starts moving from a station, a regular train just move like this 20, then 25 kilometers per hour, 30, 35, but this train just pass out and just move rapidly. Like, seem like how he is playing this. Just, okay, these are the lights. We can turn it on, off. This is the switch like the aeroplane. I think you know. If we press it, if someone is coming, then he or she will notification can see this and will help us. So it is for need our help. We are turning it off and we are sitting in the coach C2. Now everyone is a little bit of tired. I am not showing any persons in this train. Here are also charging points. The window and this is the emergency pull handle. That is not present in there, but there is a emergency pull handle. You have to pull it like this if you want to stop, but it will fine you 1,000 if you are not pulling it. You have to slide this for opening, okay? And it is you have overhead racks. So this chair is very nice, and I am sitting in, I think 1, 2. This is 2 seat. My papa is there. Guys, now we have reached to name Dalkhola. I saw the name from the IRCTC status of the trains. Now this is, there is saying Dalkhola is crossed, but it is actually there. See, that is the station Dalkhola. I hope you can see. Oh, the train started moving. Okay, the train started moving. It was a shock, and it is moving. I think this was a signal stop in the train station, but it was not a station stop. It was a signal stop. As per my discoveries, guys, now we started again moving. One unfortunate thing has happened, that it is 12 minutes delayed, guys. So this is one thing happened bad, but the service is good very much. And one more station left, then in JP we will reach. Now we are at the end of this journey, and it is about the end series. Now end of the journey means end of this train journey, not our trip. Okay, so this is part 1. So I am saying end of the journey. Okay, it is the NJP station. You can see we have reached. Okay, it is New Jalpaiguri station, NJP. Okay, now it's time to detrain or deboard the train. Guys, now we have detrained or deboarded the train, and now there is a chance to introduce everyone. And there is the station. See, can you see the text? Here is the text of the station, New Jalpaiguri. Okay, so this is NJP station, and now we are out of the station. Let's see how the view is, and I will talk more about the taxi or cab.